Today, we're unboxing the most important, life-making, beautiful, reliable, a little late
Victoria Isabel!
My mom! Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
Let's celebrate! Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Unbox This. A very special episode because to celebrate the upcoming Mother's Day, I'm joined by my mom.
That's right, I am Tori's mom, Sylvia.
We're celebrating a little earlier because this is one of those holidays that really sneaks up on you, and I'm trying to help out the rest of you, so that way you can also keep your moms happy because I kill it every year, right?
Sometimes the day before.
Mother's Day is tough, so I want to make sure that you also have a great Mother's Day, and we have the pleasure of unboxing an essential Mother's Day gift, the MSI Prestige 13 Evo Laptop.
Nice, exciting.
Right? This
yes.
is going to be an essential gift here.
That'll be good.
So if you're ready to take rank as the favorite child, gifting this laptop is a no-brainer. It's a beautifully balanced laptop with extraordinary performance. Plus, it's incredibly compact and light, so you can take it everywhere with ease.
And it's nicer because it's bigger than a cell phone, so we're able to see everything.
That's what I mean. You only really have like one device that you use, and it's your
Exactly.
phone. So this might be a potential Mother's Day gift that we're looking at right here, if you like it.
I do.
So let's get into it together, and actually, you do it.
Thank you. Let's unbox this.
That's beautiful.
Thank you. Now let's do it. Just to make sure, and because I am a mom, I'm gonna put my glasses on so I don't injure myself. Can we handle this excitement?
I'm excited.
I'm excited. Let's do this.
Is this what it's like watching me unbox? Because this is so delicate and slow, and I'm like ready.
Ooh, look at that. That's a beauty.
Especially, you don't have like an iPad or anything, and this one's a nice, just little compact laptop.
Oh
so it
my
starts
God,
with
yes.
your laptop right at the beginning. And look, this is what I mean by just how light this is gonna be.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Isn't that cute?
Yes, she's gorgeous.
Did you see where I get it from? You also have your quick guide, which how often when you're opening tech do you make sure that you read them and stuff? Okay.
I don't want to sound sexist, but you know who doesn't look at instructions?
Dad.
Men.
Let's see what else we have in here.
What?
It's like gifts on gifts when you unbox,
Yes.
you know?
This is fun because it's all like in compartments, so it makes it more exciting.
Right? So in here, it looks like your charging cord.
Yes, because the plug's over here.
Does that not kind of look like Mickey Mouse?
It does. Let's not promote.
No free promo. No. I should have wrote you a little Mother's Day card in here.
Wouldn't that have been cute?
I never think of adding a card to the gift.
But just so you know, I mean this, hello.
So there you have it. All that's gonna be coming in your box is just the laptop itself, your power cord, and then plus your quick guide. And now we can keep drinking our tea and talk a little bit more about it.
Easy pleasy, lemon squeezy.
Let's get into it. You know what? Let's start the episode.
You're not supposed to talk with your mouth full. You're gonna choke.
I know, sorry. So here it is, the MSI Prestige 13 Evo Laptop.
Nice.
What do you think? Just based off of first impressions.
I love it. It's so cute and light.
This is exactly the kind of Mother's Day gift that I feel like your mom needs and isn't directly telling you. So immediately, I'm obsessed with the sleekness here. It's slim and it weighs right under 4 pounds. So whether you're a student, working on the go, or simply always want to have extra entertainment on you, this is crazy convenient to take around with you. And this fits nicely in a purse.
It does.
So, you ready to learn some tech terms so we can dive deep into what makes this laptop so powerful?
Yes, please. Go right ahead. I'm learning a lot today.
The CPU is an Intel Core i7-1360P on a 2.2 gigahertz clock speed. It's a 13th gen 12-core CPU, so you'll be getting all the power from Intel's latest generation. So the best way to describe what a CPU is that it's basically the brain of your laptop. So it needs to work well with all the other components in your laptop to make sure that all the components are working well and you're getting the best performance possible.
Got it.
And then taking a look at the display, you have Intel Iris Xe graphics, so that's your GPU, the eyes of your laptop, and how great everything will look on the screen itself. So your ebooks, work tasks, and all your fun entertainment like streaming your shows and light gaming will look dazzling on this 13.3-inch FHD display.
This looks good already. I'm excited.
The MSI Prestige also has the perfect amount of storage and memory to keep your mom happy. 16 gigs of DDR5 RAM, and that's what's going to allow you to open as many tabs and apps as you'd like without sacrificing performance. So
good.
This is great for you.
Yep.
Because I've seen your phone.
Yes,
And I know that you don't close websites or the apps that you're using, so this will definitely keep up with you. For storage, you'll be set with 1 terabyte of NVMe SSD, enough room to keep everything important to you on your laptop, from work documents to family photos and videos. So 1 terabyte is going to be more than enough for like all the Facebook photos that you have on here. If you want to save them onto your computer itself, you can do just that.
Oh, that's great.
I feel like you don't have your own device to store the things that you care about.
Yeah.
So 1 terabyte is going to be nice to make sure that you have everything that you want to look at.
Yeah.
You can just scroll through your own files. So do you want to see where this gets especially fancy?
I like fancy dancy.
So you can sign in using Windows Hello with facial recognition, or you can use your fingerprint on the little power button here for easy sign-ins, which honestly, not to put you on blast again, but you always hit me up for what your passwords are, and I don't remember all of them. So now you can get into your own laptop just by using your fingerprint. Very nice and convenient.
Very cool. I love it. Thanks for putting me on blast, by the way.
Yeah, you're welcome.
I appreciate it.
And then for any added privacy, you also have the option to use Tobii Aware, which is essential if you find yourself working in public places, because it'll actually alert you if someone is standing behind you looking at your screen. It's a very smart laptop that has your back, especially if your kid can't be by your side 24/7. And then plus, you know that you're going to be all set with this laptop because it's going to have all the essentials that you need, including speedy Wi-Fi 6E, which is the fastest on the market right now, so you'll get that quick, seamless connection, and Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity, so you can connect your AirPods and whatever other Bluetooth devices that you have to your laptop.
Very cool. Love it.
So the I/O that you have,
I just counted the little holes.
input, output. Looking at the I/O, you have your micro SD card reader here, your Kensington lock slot over here, plus your USB 3.2 Type A. And then on the other side, you have your DC in, which is where you're charging at, your HDMI port, and then 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, which is really impressive because it means that it connects really fast to whatever Thunderbolt devices you're using. So if you're downloading something with a Thunderbolt, it's gonna go a lot faster.
Like I know what a Thunderbolt is.
This is a Thunderbolt! I'm giving this to you now.
You keep saying it. Thank you.
This is yours. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you. Then on Mother's Day I get another gift?
This is Mother's Day! And you can get your hands on this great Mother's Day gift by checking out the links in the description below. And while you're there, why not subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss another episode. And the more likes this gets, the prouder my mom will be.
Yes, I will.
So thank you so much for watching. Happy shopping. Bye.
Bye.